Till now, in the previous session, we have discussed about how to retrieve the information from SQL. Now we have to retrieve the information. Okay, we have to retrieve the information from the table, but here we have to give a condition. Okay, so limiting the row of sorts. Okay, that is called as the SQL statement. So limiting row using selection. So here we are using SQL statement. It restricts the row that are written by using where clause. So select distinct keyword is used for retrieve all the record. Where clause is used to retrieve the specific record. माने if you have a table, अगर आपके पास टेबल है, उस टेबल से आपको अगर स्पेसिफिक रिकॉर्ड आपको रिट्राइव करना है, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे ना, where clause यूज करेंगे. Where clause is used to retrieve the specific record from a table. And यहाँ पर आप distinct keyword भी यूज कर सकते हो. तो where clause restrict the query to the row that meet a condition. Condition, it is composed of the column name, expression, constant, and comparison operator. A condition specifies the condition of one or more expression, logical operator, and return the value of true and false and unknown. So where clause can compare the value in column, literal, arithmetic expression, function. It consists of the three elements. One is column name, one is comparison condition, another is column name and constant of list value. So three things we have to pass. One, we have to pass column name. जब आप कोई particular record आप retrieve करोगे, पहले आपको column का name define किया जाएगा, comparison condition define किया जाएगा, column name, constant और list of value यहाँ पर define किया जाएगा. Okay, तो यहाँ पर हम एक SQL का value देखेंगे कैसे होगा. So let's start this SQL editor. This is a SQL editor. You can take the software from me. का आईडी और पासवर्ड दे देना है और इंस्टॉल कर देना. मैं सॉफ्टवेयर भेज. So select HR dot employees. If I write select star from HR dot employees, that is retrieve all the records. If I want to retrieve another record, like select employee ID, last name, job ID, department ID from employee. Okay, so start here. Select last underscore name, job underscore ID, department underscore ID from HR dot employees. See that. Please retrieve all the record where last name, job ID, department ID is 19. Last name, job ID, department ID is 19. Next is, if I want to retrieve a record like select last underscore name, job underscore ID, department underscore ID from HR. HR is the schema. HR dot employees, where last underscore name is equals to वाले आप आपका आईडी में भी कर सकते हो तो ऑनलाइन आईडी वो सेम चीज आपको दिखाएगी तो सी दैट इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है लाइक इफ यू वांट टू सर्च ए record which is a integer value you can pass here directly when you pass the value which is a string value you can pass here single quotation in the single quotation mark you have to pass a value select last name job id department id from hr.employee where last name equals to 1 okay then select last underscore name from hr.employees where hire underscore date is equals to So it is searching a record from last name. Select last name from HR.employee where hire date. Okay, hire date is 17 February 96. That is first name. Next, we are using. I send the query here. Okay, you note it down. या आप इसको नोट कर लेना. Now check. These are the comparison operator we are using. Okay, comparison operator equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to. So it is a not equals to symbol. Not equals to, between an and, in, like, is not. So first of all, we are using equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to, not equals to, between and in which we are using it is contain a set of value, so which you get one value in, like, match a character pattern, is null is a null value. Okay, so these are the value we are passing. Equal to, greater than equals to, less than equals to, not equals to, between two value, match any of list all value, match a pattern, and is a null. Okay. So these are the different type of logic comparison operator we are using. So one by one we have to discuss it. Okay. So first of all, we have to retrieve one record. So I show the example of one example, like select last underscore salary HR dot employees where salary is less than 3,000. So it is less than 3,000. So select last name salary from HR dot employee where salary is less than 3,000. That is, retrieve all the record of the employee table where salary is all are less than 3,000. Select last underscore name salary from HR dot employees where salary between 2500 and 3500. That is, retrieve all the record from the salary where the salary is between 2500 to 3500. That means please retrieve all the values that is between 2500 to 3500. Okay. And remember that these two value are inclusive. मतलब जब आप between यूज करोगे तो ये 2500 भी जाएगा इंक्लूडिंग और 3500 ये दोनों भी जाएगा, दोनों इंक्लूडिंग रहेगा. Then we have to pass select last underscore name employees here last underscore name between 20. Sorry. You have to mention here HR.m. HR is the schema. King and Smith. Select employee underscore ID last underscore name manager underscore ID from HR dot employees where manager underscore ID in 1000 101 201. One thousand 101 201. So it is retrieve all the record. In means it is belongs to this value one. 100, 101 and 201. Okay, so it is retrieve all the value that is between 100, 101 and 200. Okay, बुझी होची? Atmajyoti, Amit, Madhusmita, understood? Sagar?
Yes, sir.
In means between the range or between the list you have to retrieve the record. Next, we are using like operator. The like operator is used to perform the wildcard searches for the valid search string value. The search condition can contain either literal, character, or numbers. Okay, so like operator we're using we have to use the like operator to perform the wildcard searches for valid search string value. The search condition can contain either literal, character, or number. Percentile denote 0 and many character. Underscore denote 1 character. Okay, the select first number from employee where first number like is percentile. So percentile means it is searching the record for a pattern, like it is search the record which is starting from is. I use the like operator to perform the wildcard searches of valid search string value. Percentile denote 0 or many character. Underscore denote only 1 character. If I like is percentile, it is starting from is, then letter all the value. If I use an underscore, that means it is only search for 1 character. Okay. So next we write select first underscore name HR.employees where is searching from is. Okay, it is search all the records, all the first name. The first name is starting from is percentile. The name is starting from is. Okay. Madhu bujhe hoji?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
The next example, if I write select last underscore name higher underscore date from HR dot employees where higher underscore date like percentile 95. So it is searching all the record where the higher date it starts from 95. Then we have to use another record. Select last underscore name from HR dot employees where last underscore name like underscore o person. Okay, so underscore O percentile means it is searching for a record which second character is O. Okay, the first character is anything, but second character is O. Okay, so that is called as what? Your like operator. Okay, तो यहाँ पर जो अंडरस्कोर ओ लिखा गया, अंडरस्कोर ओ के मतलब है, मतलब जो आपका जो सेकेंड लेटर है, तो ये जो सारा लास्ट नेम का जो सेकेंड लेटर है वहां पर ओ रहे. Now I run the file, so it is showing you this value. वीडियो कहाँ चला गया? Okay, so it is search all the record. That is the second letter is O. Next is select employee underscore ID, last underscore name, job underscore ID, HR dot employees where job ID like, okay, job ID like. Here one another thing we are using, job ID like percentile SA plus underscore percentile. Then here we use escape. Select employee ID, last name, job ID from HR.employee where job ID like SA percentile, then escape slash. इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब अगर हम अंडरस्कोर ओ लिखते हैं तो वो पहले सर्च करेगा, ओ से पहले एक कैरेक्टर शो करेगा, उसके बाद आपका ओ शो करेगा. तो हमारा जॉब आईडी में ऐसा कुछ, जॉब आईडी जो होता है उसके अंदर ही अंडरस्कोर है, मतलब दिस वर्ड इटसेल्फ कंटेन अंडरस्कोर. लेकिन अगर हम अंडरस्कोर यूज करते हैं वेयर क्लॉज में, दैट मींस इट इज सर्चिंग फॉर वन रिकॉर्ड, एक रिकॉर्ड को सर्च करें. तो इसलिए अगर आपको सर्च यहाँ पर करना है तो यहाँ पर हम क्या यूज करेंगे, परसेंटाइल एसे स्लैश अंडरस्कोर एस्केप, एसे अंडरस्कोर मैन, एसे अंडरस्कोर मैन, एसे अंडरस्कोर आरईपी, एसे अंडरस्कोर आरईपी, ये डिस्प्ले कर. मतलब आपका जो इसके अंदर जो अंडरस्कोर है हम सर्च करके वो दिखाएगा, मतलब एसे को छोड़कर, एसे अंडरस्कोर को छोड़कर जितना कैरेक्टर है ये आपको रिट्राइव करके दिखाएगा. ओके, as underscore is treated as searching for a single letter, so that to mention that this underscore is not searching for a single letter, we are using escape sequence here. यहाँ पर हमने escape sequence define. ओके, हाँ एक ही लेटर के से. इसके मतलब ये क्या है, मतलब ये बोल रहा है कि एसे और अंडरस्कोर एक वर्ड के अंदर है, तो आपको ये मेंशन करना. हाँ, अंडरस्टूड दिस वन. Escape sequence.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in next class, I will start another. Okay.
Thank you, sir.